Hey, what's going on guys, Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the mouse down attribute, which fires a mouse button which will be down to the element. So for that to happen we need a set environment. So what I'm gonna do is um what we're gonna do is here, go to here and paste some bunch of text. Now you're gonna ask, hey Assad, why? Because I'm not gonna teach you. I already tell that I'm not gonna teach you HTML or CSS or JavaScript. I'm only tell you what are events. So these are JavaScript function, which is mouse. One of them is mouse up, one of them is mouse down, and we are talking about the mouse down. So it gonna I mean it's look cool. That's why I decide to jump up both of them. So first, on mouse up, those who recognize these are a JavaScript, you can see by this tag it gonna change the color to green when it's go up, and in the here when it's go down it gonna change to red. So let's do that then, and then we're gonna call the mouse up function. No, mouse down, sorry. Oh yeah, mouse up, because I already checked it. And now on mouse down, so call the mouse down function. When we do that, when we see that, did you see that? Let me show you again. It's black now, and when you click that, it's become red. And when we go up, it gonna become red, and when we go down, it gonna become green. So this is how it's work. Hope you guys understand. I just change on the mouse event to call a function which will change the color of the background of the text. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.